What is sinusitis? Sinusitis is an inflammation or infection of the sinuses, the air-filled cavities in your forehead, cheeks, and around your eyes. This condition can be caused by infections, allergies, or even nasal polyps, leading to symptoms like facial pain, nasal congestion, headaches, and pressure around the sinuses. It can affect anyone and often makes daily tasks like breathing and sleeping difficult. If you're suffering from sinusitis, here are some fast home remedies to relieve the discomfort and speed up your recovery. Here are some fast home remedies to help relieve sinusitis symptoms quickly. 1. Steam inhalation. How it helps? Steam inhalation is one of the fastest and most effective remedies for sinusitis. The warm, moist air helps to loosen mucus trapped in your sinuses, reducing the pressure and easing congestion. It also hydrates your nasal passages, which can reduce the irritation caused by dryness. Steps for steam inhalation. 1. Boil water. Start by boiling a pot of water. Once it's boiling, remove it from the heat. 2. Prepare your space. Find a comfortable chair or seat where you can sit for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Place the bowl of hot water on a flat surface, like a table or countertop, in front of you. 3. Create a steam tent. Drape a large towel over your head and the bowl of hot water. This will trap the steam around your face, creating a mini steam tent. 4. Inhale deeply. Close your eyes, lean your face over the steam, and breathe deeply. Try to inhale the steam through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Take slow, deep breaths to allow the steam to reach your sinuses and loosen the mucus. 5. Add essential oils, optional. To enhance the steam, you can add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus, peppermint, or menthol. These oils have natural decongestant properties that can help open up your nasal passages and relieve sinus pressure. Additional tips: be careful with the heat. Make sure the water isn't too hot to avoid burns. If the steam feels too hot, give it a few moments to cool down. Repeat multiple times a day. For maximum relief, you can repeat this steam inhalation 2 to 3 times a day. Try a hot shower. If you're in a rush or don't have a bowl of hot water, a steamy shower can also work well. Let the hot water run in the shower and breathe deeply as the steam fills the room. Steam inhalation can help relieve pain, reduce swelling, and speed up the recovery process by helping mucus drain more easily. It's a simple yet powerful home remedy to ease sinusitis discomfort. 2. Saline nasal rinse. Use a neti pot or saline nasal spray. Mix 1 teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of warm water and gently rinse your nose. This helps clear congestion and reduce inflammation. 3. Warm compress. Soak a clean towel in warm water and place it over your forehead, nose, and cheeks for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps open up the sinus cavities and reduces swelling. 4. Drink plenty of fluids. Drink water, herbal teas, and broths. Avoid alcohol and caffeine as they can dehydrate you. 5. Use a humidifier. Place a humidifier in your room, especially while sleeping. This can help soothe inflamed sinuses and keep mucus flowing. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of warm water and drink it 1 to 2 times a day. You can also inhale the vapor from the mixture to help clear the nasal passages. 7. Spicy foods. Include spicy foods like hot peppers or wasabi in your meals to promote drainage and relieve congestion. 8. Ginger tea. Boil a small piece of fresh ginger in water, strain, and sip the tea slowly. It can help with both the pain and the swelling. 9. Elevate your head while sleeping. Use extra pillows to prop yourself up at a comfortable angle. This helps improve sinus drainage while you rest. 10. Rest and relaxation. Get plenty of sleep and avoid overexerting yourself while you're sick. When to seek medical help. If symptoms persist for more than 10 days or worsen with severe facial pain, high fever, or thick, colored mucus, it's important to see a doctor for further treatment.